request everyone to be seated. Thank you to our talented choir for the beautiful performance. After the presentation of our school song, now it's time to begin our distinguished ceremony. May I request the presiding members of the celebration to take the seat on the dais to grace this occasion with your esteemed presence. It is my pleasure to introduce our esteemed guests. First, I request Shri Singh, MCS, Joint Secretary, Agriculture, SCERT, Mahud, Government of Manipur. Next, I request Srimati Konjengbam Daina, MPS, Deputy Commander, 2nd MR Battalion, our guests of today's celebration. And last but not the least, I request Shri N. Irabanta Singh, Chairman, UNESCO School. Let's give a huge round of applause for our esteemed guests. Without further ado, we will be felicitating our dignitaries with bouquet and lengyan as a token of our appreciation. First of all, we will be felicitating Shri Gitchandra Singh, MCS, Joint Secretary, Agriculture, SCERT, Mahud, Government of Manipur. Please give a round of applause, everyone. Next, we will be felicitating our presiding member, Srimati Konjengbam Daina, MPS, Deputy Commandant, 2nd MR Battalion, our presiding member. Please give a round of applause. Last but not the least, we will be felicitating our presiding member, Shri N. Irabanta Singh, Chairman, UNESCO School. Please give a huge round of applause, everyone. Now it's time for the lighting of the ceremonial lamp, and to do the honor, I would like to request our esteemed dignitaries to light the ceremonial lamp. I request Shri Gitchandra Singh, MCS, Joint Secretary, Agriculture, SCERT, Mahud, Government of Manipur, Srimati Konjengbam Daina, MPS, and Shri N. Irabanta Singh, Chairman, UNACO School. The lighting of the lamp represents the illumination of knowledge, the dispelling of ignorance and enlightenment. Please give a huge round of applause, everyone. After the lighting ceremony, now I would like to request our principal, Srimati Gitarani, to please come up on the stage and present the welcome and keynote address.
A very good morning to our Presidium member, Shri Laishram Chandra Singh, MCS, Joint Secretary, Agriculture, SCERT, Mahut, Government of Manipur, Shrimati Konjengbum Daina, MPS, Deputy Commandant, 2nd MR Battalion, Shri N. Irabanta Singh, Chairman, UNACO School, all the heads of department, our special invitees, our esteemed parents, and all my dear students. A very warm welcome to all of you as we gather to celebrate our 12th annual day. So today marks an important milestone in our school journey, and I am filled with immense pride as I look back at all that we have achieved together. So our school has always been committed to the holistic development of each child. Education is not just about academics. It's about nurturing well-rounded individual who excels in all areas of life. That's why, especially in kindergarten, we focus on providing a wide range of activities that help foster creativity, physical skills, and emotional growth. Whether it is through play, art, music, or group activities, every child is encouraged to explore and develop their unique potential. So we believe in complete transparency in our curriculum and keeping parents well informed about their child's progress. So to ensure that you as a parent stay connected with the daily learning journey, we share everyday classroom activity through our class WhatsApp group, and this way you stay updated on what your child is learning and celebrate their milestone with us. So taking this opportunity and looking at the gathering today, let me share some of our achievements and accomplishments. So in terms of academic excellence, our school continues to lead the way in the region. Our students consistently achieve outstanding results, setting benchmark for others to follow. So in the academic session 2023-24, 448 students of our class 10 and 12 students have appeared board exams, and we achieved 100% pass percentage. Then Ayush Mishra of class 12 scoring the highest score of 96.8. And more than 30 students could score 90% and above. So this year also around 475 students would be appearing, and we are confident that they will also shine and continue the legacy of excellence that has been established by those before them. And this academic session, we also introduced NEET integrated classes for our class 9 students, a significant step in preparing them for one of the most competitive medical entrance exam in the country. We are also prepared with our first batch of class 12 students who would be appearing NEET exam this year. So we are also sure that they will excel and they will set a new benchmark for success. Then moreover, we are also honored to be ranked as Manipur #1 and Imphal #1 in co-ed day cum boarding school by Education World India School Ranking. And this is not for the first time. We have been enjoying this title since 2019. So it's a testament, and we have been ranked as Imphal #1, Manipur #1. Also, we also stand out at position of 46 among the top 100 schools in India. So another exciting achievement this year is our recognition with 91 students inducted into the prestigious Chairman's Club. So this club, it represents the pinnacle of academic and extracurricular activities. And getting entry into this club is a rigorous process and high competition. So generally we acknowledge outstanding students from class 3 onwards in the field of academics as well as sports. Then our students have also excelled beyond the classroom. This year we have seen our athlete compete at the national level competition. Our students have represented our school in CBSE football cluster. Then our students have excelled in CBSE national swimming competition, then national martial arts, and many more. So we are confident that many more students will continue to leave their mark in the years to come. So my dear parents, none of this would be possible without your, unwavering support, without the dedication of our teachers and the commitment of our students. So I thank all the parents who are present over here today for your trust and for your continuous support and believing in us. So my dear parents, today is your day. So today you will experience the rainbow of wonders. You will see more than 700 students on the stage today. So without taking much time, I welcome you again and please enjoy the celebration ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for a welcome and keynote address. Next, I would like to invite our presiding member, Srimati Konjungbam Diana, MPS, Deputy Commandant, 2nd Manipur Rifle Battalion, to deliver a short speech.
Good morning. Esteemed Presidium members, Shri Lashangi Chandra, MCS, Joint Secretary, Agriculture, SCRT, Mahut, Government of Manipur. Respected Shri N. Irabanta Singh, Chairman, UNACO School. Respected Srimati Geeta Rani, Principal, UNACO School, Khoman. Teachers, parents, guardians, and dear students. On this joyous occasion of Annual Day 2024-25, I would like to extend my heartiest congratulations to UNACO School for its commendable contribution in the field of education in our beautiful state of Manipur. Also, I would like to congratulate the teachers and students of pre-nursery up to Standard 2 for their hard work and dedication in preparing such a wonderful lineup of programs, showcasing their talents, which will indeed be a rainbow of wonders. We are all looking forward to it. Today, I stand here also as a parent. My daughter is presently studying in class KG in this school. And after almost 3 years of her being in this school, I'm assured of the fact that this school provides one of the best holistic education which is required for all-round development of a child. Lairik haiba khatang natana angang singi emotional, mental and social development sumaru oi. Masigi all-round development si UNACO school na angang singda chap chana takpi gani habasi agi achepat hazabani. Sigi mathakta value of discipline amasung hard work. Discipline amasung hard work se punshida mi successful of the camera number oi habagi importance su UNACO school na instill to bigani haina aina kana thajai. Ngasigi tanja sa lawjo duna UNACO school gi backbone oi biriba Oja Singh Thagachani. The teachers here are wonderful and very approachable. Dear teachers, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the monumental impact you have had on our child's learning journey. Your patience, understanding are noteworthy. I am beyond grateful for all the creative and engaging lessons that you have taught this year. Last but not the least, school lesigi angang chedabada achauba thaubu biribi mother sing busu ai thagachani. Thank you, dear mothers. Also, I firmly believe that UNACO school, on addition of instilling the value of discipline and hard work, and also while academic achievement is important, it is also important to balance academic pursuits and personal interests. I believe that UNACO school will continue to provide a secure learning environment for all the students here. With these few words, I would like to wish UNACO school greater success in the years to come. Wishing UNACO school the best to continue to shape and educate the generations to come. Happy Annual Day 2024-25.
Thank you so much, Madam, for delivering such a kind and inspiring word. Next, I would like to invite our Presidium Member, Shri Singh, MCS, Joint Secretary, Agriculture, SCERT, Mahut Government of Manipur, to deliver a short speech.
Presidium members, Shri Singh, who is also my friend, Srimati Konjanun Daina, Deputy Commanding 2nd MR Battalion, students, parents, guardians, teachers, very good morning to all of you. National Education Policy 2024 ki matungina kay angang sing, especially class 5 at class 8 po say local language the emphasis pi have ni ai Manipur na kran anjage. Siyam maruoy. Yam noi kogi mang dang si pikli bangang sing. I'm very delighted to see all the shining stars. Kogi yam na nauriba, thought nauriba, kogi na sagi school zone sakpa kanda. Yam na full of energy, full of enthusiasm. Madu ubo phangzay. Makhoy da ay na hiding basi ngasi gi annual day function sida ay na hiding basi. It's one of no ikuding mak tongan but individual ngagtani. Don't try to imitate others. Amana amagi matawag tambagi kayinta dakar laiti. Isona sembi bada migi pithok pa amam loin loinare. Madu karino haibase khangdok pase masi yaham bathawdang as a student. Prithivida sida ina biggest contribution in tawang ngambase kari field no haibase. This is the most important part. Masi ko na kay gawin kanda ay goal set to ko eh. Anang pingay di hauna ay punchita kari oido no haibase. Ay ke sana to ba feel se kari no haibase. Masi khangdok pase. This is the most important part. Madu show the gadi foreign life the future the he or she will face failure. So the most important part is to identify the field in which you can excel. Nan excel to wang amba field do madu identify to wam sang. Say example na hajar bada kogi hojiki iPhone ma'am painari ba iPad MacBook painari ba buthopri ba nupa Apple ki founder Steve Jobs man kari gumba mase footballer or men khalase ba if he was a footballer then he could not have achieved what he has achieved today. Namamoeva. So magi pithopa magi mongon yauzerpa inherent magi talento. Madumana identify to matunga adugi field to excel to whenever. Senior goal set over his. For example, say Sachin Tendulkar cricket son of the power and was out of the power, but not to this extent. So this is the most important part. Identify the goal. Although identify the next step is work hard. Work very, very hard to achieve that goal. There is no shortcut to success. Success is a dream path like take over. I personal experience to success goal is later matong sida I kamana achieve to go to this is a journey. This is where the schools, the guardians come into the picture. Sidaneba kogi onako school si kogi school na tawi base. Now the school was launched started in 2010 if I am not mistaken. 2010 da haure. Hojik yam sa khola ise. Si mana honda ni magi dream to achieve to hona bata. Example ngai pisan ise. The way he is working day and night. Ko madugi kan hona bam sangeba. Goal man mitto ge haragadi you have to strive consistently every day. Masi hona base machine na kona satra sing dai hajening base. Without hard work you cannot achieve anything. Sungam na moi achieve to ngamba. Duna aina pa ma potso hana khalle. Ado khalba potse kamane achieve to wadage no sanjan base. This is the next step. Masida koina parents in the su parents in yam chawa sida mathong lei kaino hara kada motivation darkar le angang sis motivation on a daily basis magi puning thonga happy ba masagi magi goal set to budu su parents na identify to with ni si angang sidi ma sona thajal laga di mi woni na si angang sis thajal mi woni na hai base si su parents singa ilona to mi na ga thabang. Now masigi journey is yam sang journey ni to achieve goal achieve to why is yam sang journey ni on the lambi sida there will be many setbacks, there will be many failures lakani mi amata failure thengadaba mi dudi say Albert Einstein and scientist amale physics ke pawa ECM is ka prathom no padna harame. A person who has never committed mistakes haven't tried anything new na harame man. Mistakes sokang thingadaba mi se masi mapunchi da kari mo da tawtra bani habam. Mistakes are bound to happen. You will face mistakes, you will face failures, you will face setbacks. But apaba midi na traga asinga midi kaino hakanda mistakes na lesson na lawe. Say akogi bothomba scientist Thomas Alva Edison he failed numerous times in his journey to produce this invent this electric bulb. Ato umatam sila mana hayaba. Amuk fail ore. Fail bes mana hayaba. I am not failing. I failed over nati. I just found out a way which is not working. Worked out the work and kanamo fangeba. Magi what ama. Adu shamdo amuk he tried again. Amuk tried tore amuk sore. He again learned a new thing. Sungma man punsan laga ultimately he invented electric bulb. No, we enjoy the reason. Sugumba mentality, sugumba positive thinking. Masi sangeba. Ado si tawge haragadi. Angang sinin nauri banina may fail over kanda. Asay si punchil ore. This is the end of the world for me. Kana kanbiya. Ado me koina kogi class 10 pass over kanda. Societal quality romang no tari memse. Sida kogi parents ngi ro. Si am chawa hajabi banida. No, you have not failed. This is just a lesson. Go. The world is not the end for you. Si haibam sangeba. Motivate to sangeba. And nang mi wara ro nang fail over ko paharagadi. This is called demotivation. So parents who am na sida role am sawi motivation ki journey sida daily basis ta koi masi motivate to sange. Aruga success, failure, sidi they are the two sides of the same coin. So nang failure phangbe ay am ko toast ta ra. Misi ki batang sida motivation ki batang ta ni singa ko ai huji ai mind da lakpada film ama lay handak akogi UPSC ki exam da based over film ama 12 fail ma'am ngi yung na mani 12 fail Manos ko wa Upama, Madhya Pradesh ki Sambal district agini. Poverty, am lara bemu. Adurigi laga mana, how he became an IPS officer, how he appeared this one of the most difficult examinations in the world. UPSC exam thabgi wari ni. Adugi wari do, that movie was so much motivating. Adu yang view mayam, ko adu yang bhajawa movie ni. Hindi medium dagi laga mana kamaina IPS last attempt ta. Ko adu mana waga lelija lagi coaching to bagi wari, mana mil leo bagi wari. Sugumba motivation oiba videos antraga cinema mayam si angang si gihan madaka le nan khali. Positive mindset ama moji develop to hona bada. Sugumba mayam lere. Then motivate to matung jira success phangani. Success phanga matung jida Pagi, success differs from person to person. Say me amana artist or bada power bada. This is our hard success story. Me amana doctor or bada phang bada. This is our hard story, success story. So success is me amana bada kenani. I na pang photo adu phang base. Mani success kau. Ayu akan dari. Be it sports, be it politics, be it academics, everything. Adu ka yamna. I na yam hajani mama yamna. I'm going to abstract the work when I'm going to Petribi the Quari Narupa missing say, Karamano Haiganda. Those persons who are paid for doing what they want or what they love are the most important people I have. Masana Pamapoto, Adu Tabak to Shapangado, I'm not quite like missing them. Jamana Pamanama, Tawanama, see class missing the Yamna, like part of a missing labor. I did palm field though. Hypertrophy, I palm field to the Excel to view, then you will be paid accordingly. I think like my position like my papa go away. Magi Wakandra Malaiva, and he or she is doing something for earning a living. They are not fortunate people. Sima Kambiro, Aduga. I know what I want to emphasize on this gathering is, Hojika Madu is a Hojanang Yamna. Section I will these electronic gadgets, these mobile phones, these tablets, these computers, the internet revolution lack was the concession that I was saying. See, I'm the Maru because Angama Mamba not like a power have say. I work under 70% is depend on mobile. I in the day mobile say I would not advise, but I need to observe what I practice is I limit their screen time. May matang sarap PB ba kwen? Say Saturday pong nasinisibo, Sunday pong nasinisibo. Other times ng phone so kuya rin because sige apaposo mayam lay hazab ne ba mobile phone gi and hazab da say khogi app mayam lay kambira mani Duolingo ka na isa no PG class 7 da school tami. No Spanish nang ba hewa. Spanish ay hanggang kamay to Duolingo apps na Spanish tamle ran ko adiki husi yung ako'y matam na di kamay to larik para pa kanda kaya mo khang je haiba kanda dictionary thi ba ko science ki wagera English ki wagera dictionary thi ba awa ba thaba amne larik ta mo phang de la bazar mo sat ni ozar mo hangni ading si suti wagera ta khan hayeng lai kamay to ni so we face a lot of tension husi kamay to just pick up a phone Google though, you'll find everything. Don't hang ever. Google sida. Asuk yaman ngar matang like tambagi. Ko, adigi hojiti AI ran sulabni. ChatGPT and all. Adigi e-library le. Books hai koi physically le beda kala itreva. E-library na koi ki audible gai le. Kano sida phang ba ko. E-books na hum phang ever like koi ki mobile sida. So parents khati kamai to we. Phone je sumai pahin da yawa ko but what I feel is that what they are doing is not right. I na banjabadi pahin view because hojiki sigi race da ko yaw da yawa because we are competing with the entire world. Hoji khana bam like the world is flat ana hoji the world is round or hanadre the world is flat. Hoji hi tammi bangang sing say they are not only competing against each other. They are competing with other students who are studying in Australia, who are studying in USA, who are studying in Bangkok, everywhere. So this is a huge field. And without using this internet, you cannot compete. That I'm telling you. So instead of removing completely removing the smartphone, use them positively, use them wisely. Sida parents ngi yam so thodang ne parents na kamai to we phone pa hello khoi ngak tang angang si yam lang re lang sida thamam tar ga di, then you are spoiling your child. Parents su sida matang yam strict ram sang I di siam o jai ko ari mana kari yengi no hisi se to ram sang ma kai singa mi no adigi magi setting su sem bai kids mot kai lei ko mai gi angang sindang wen dia ba so adu screen out to ram sang be ham adu bo kana ba say has a from my personal experience I sa sing se they became so fluent in English ngang se am fluent ore Hindi su ngare ko mai ga masing yeng masida aduga ai imanabim lei Spain da thok to bi ma la ga wai sana kan sida man hae ba ichana pichu nangi pronunciation sidi English American accent ore si apun tam bipuru na te ba to so adu sigi kana bhase kadal lo idun sin ko so it's a double edged sword kalmo senadra gadi you will cut your throat if you use it wisely then you can chop vegetables and meat etc adu senabe the onus is on you parents in the lai ko but senabe you senadra gadi hai machi yam luba ana sibo sida ina ngangje si kaino hai kanda what I feel is hojikti internet ki matam ni na akhoi matam do yam khena re hojikte adu mi amama ga wai sa base sida loin tawrabani man kari tawino si mana mang ju sida mang ya yo anda mobile phone si pasana season na biyo aduga prithvi jagar kai thoge se loi u ya rabani na pasana sina ragadi kai achawa sigi afaba lobo ya haje bai wani similar adige students in the aina hajen ni se these are your formative years ko go no se hauruk pagi matam ne si yam na maru ba because noi khang go si akhoi gi Himalaya gumba mountain sing se akhona storm lak da mo si lieng de ba kai gi no ba because moi gi lebak ma kha si da 3 times foundation layer means if you have strong foundation nothing can move you be it challenges be it failures adu oriba kan can move to ngam so foundation se amaro we ba foundation se akhona se ki morom mari sar kan dai foundation amu sem ga ha ba yar we ba yum sa ba gu man ngang sem ba je foundation se strong hen bio ba foundation because si amaro we ba si stage se class 1 to 5 foundation ne ba se English ki grammar hai han ba adi science ki attitude develop ta hon ba ko discipline character lo namak sida instill to saying formative years size ne ba si matang je now sida has show ga di 90% he or she is likely to fail ma kan this is to kan to ngam moi ba lab ta kan face to ngam moi so foundation chi am strong hum bio adu ga di he or she will go a long way and achieve many success in life similarly aduga angang sin dain haiza badi mai makut ani pali makut amana ozara pabio makut amana like the pabio then he or she can do wonders mai pakani positive urgency the world is open to you prithvi se oji moi de hokole banga ngatani hakani yam sina karino curiosity laigani aduga motivation ni matang da ai jumini sing my father my dad aina ma ore ngada amada haibam lei mina ngamaga nang gadong ngamodono that word strike I want them strike to give on mi bakut madi pamro mi mamet madi pamro mi de pung mi pun ba le bro no mada chamala ngatni so if others can why can't you see question se ko adigi mana haibam lei nunti gi thaba ama phaba thaba bam to haib nunti gi aduga time management siga we should not waste time because once gone it will never return am halaro time management si mayam si toraga discipline as in a class discipline no time min to jari di discipline means discipline to your work I routine ma set tore stick to ngam not for one day but for whole year no magin da hapta ang to yi line neba but for whole year to ga di ma nurakane ba to adu to ngam na ba ka do sai na ho da haisa ba to choose what you want to do in life. The learning will not become a burden. Otherwise, it will become a burden. So choosing your right field is very important. And if you choose things will fall into place automatically. So achumba khanbiro aduga discipline sapiro focus lebiyo determination grit loinam sange because there is no shortcut to success aduga akogi ngi role model de haisage agi akogi inako gi chaven obidaba Shri N. Irabanta Singh he can be a role model what he has achieved today in a very short span of time is amazing adubu sigi manungda mana kai kam hona ge habisi kam ubiram da biyai makilen zona akogi talent artist painter am le man harame kai mai no hona ri se man ubiragadi ai paintings da man ngawri se yam phatai haisi haram da su ya because he worked so hard adugi parallel na growth audari se kai maru Irabanta se yamna magi mara ai uzabada akogi sida ina ko school se khona khona bada ni uzabada se chairman's club kai lai se chairman's club se is nothing but a way of motivating students satra mayam se motivate tawri ne ba se chairman's club mathang ai yoge ai jo mark phange haning na ba chairman's club se mi se adugu ma digi man ai yin zabada koi Irabanta se he does a lot of research lan tawe education field he atopa se India ma panda kai chanari even adubu man research tawga he tries to bring them here Manipur usama ma ai uzai ba magi kano mayam so I love his professionalism usama am lebi ba stick ko ba silabune that's why he is now the number 1 school his school is number 1 school in Manipur and among the top I think top 50 in India see oil namai sigai see this is not Rome was not built in a day Rome is the time happened it takes time ababa thaba ma tawge haragadi misak tang haragadi it needs time patience hard work determination phataba thawam tawge haragadi kolak tawge ai je mi ma halore phataba to ore ma lore to but building ma sage haragadi you need years so adumba yam sa chappa ngamba consistently no chok thaba nai daba failure thengara so mu hanba nai daba adumba attitude mayam se akogi marup Irabanta na mayam se satra mayam se inculcate tawiri ba masi je ina ngai jabadi aduna masi annual functions da ina road hajin madi the world is open for you akogi ping le bangang singsida to grow to achieve anything you want go to achieve to aduga learning se fun learn to ningai learn to si aduga be focused be fearless and remember you are unstoppable. I wish all of you the very best in your journey. Thank you.
Ikai Kumnajariba Presidium Member Shri Singh Chandra Singh Mamal Yamlaba Wafam Kaya Thambirambagi Damak Thagachari. Now it's my privilege to invite our esteemed chairman Shri N. Irabanta Singh to address us and share his thoughts on this special occasion. Please give a huge round of applause.
Good morning. Hello, good morning, my dear students. Yam laurakte manum guloi lai grabane rehearsal gi. So good morning, my dear students and the respected parents and the colleagues, and particularly on the dais students special program asida lengbirai ba akogi president member oina Shri Singh Chandra MCS Joint Secretary Agriculture SCRT Mahut Adulona Srimati Konjengum Daina Deputy Commandant MPS Gaikumno Sari Adulona Tabak Chinmayam Kaito Piragalengireva parenting grandparenting Daina Kango Fanam Jawe Kumadi Roy Raju Roy Haniam Ures Haida Masakamijo Daniel Zulay Chakrava Yam Ure, thank you very much today. Today is a special day. First of all, today is working day, not a holiday. 50% of the parents coming here are the government employees. We know it is a working day. So, my dear respected parents, I salute you for your decisions to take holiday from your office and coming here and to see your children's program. It is a very rare opportunity in your lifetime. Thank you very much, my dear parents, and I really salute you today. And my friend Mr. Promeso here also. Thank you. Sigumba program je to in the Punsida Panganate, Sahi among the Amung Tang Tangani, mayamji angang ama pokpa ani pokpa na ayam bani ahum pokpa masing di huzik 10% phane yoro mochida ai huzik laiba parent mayam se 10% yong na ngang ahum leira moya ba ama leiba che 30% mo orangani around 70% 60% di parent mayam je angang ani leiba ngaktani sumaba ne yam nongna re mayam je aduna singumba program je toina yawo phangoi punsida hayang angang sakhokhlaga de chalroi talibu nang chalroi be man chalroi har aneba bang class 9 10 11 12 to di parent lak bi ya de angang lo sakit ne ba ko yusale ai yusale bar ai sa di sakhokhlaga ni si program yo yaw ba ya dre ko promise ki di ya ri ado khare ya ho bi this golden opportunity this life will never come back again amona halaroi ai maruk ki chandre hangam ni kamai to re ma gi di class 4 yo gre to mo doi mai masa se yaw ya dre ma hare this is a life sima ai si mayam na thamjage aduga ai gi maruk ki chandre na ngasai ma SCRT gi su joi se ke yam dai ta leibo officer ni education ga mari lena ba mana kai kene yam hairam me ai gi maram da adu ai adu na te no seng do hodradi hayeng mayam dai se kai kino khan gi daren mana kai keno school si hona bagi yam hairam me ai kitang icham cham na sum hona bani ado oja guru khorna tapi rakpani aya samjal laga khar samjal mayam gi na ahan bada khoi oja sing yara ga ngang ngai si mo yam langan ganu ko ai wa ngang ma si yam sang su ngang roi moi activity hokdai ngai le re aduga parents singi marun oja singi section wai kitang thamjoge hore ai ni he wa ngang le raga akhoi ji kundara ani aduga akhoi activity hokdora bani activity angang mayam si akhoi ngasi around 800 student ni participate to do ji 1200 1400 parent guma lakane na koina pai confirmation loi to bani aduna 2000 khare na gathering to do na yam chaw gathering ni akhoi site gi section thorang kha dum lokhali akhoi ambulance thami doctor thami nurse thami effect part set pi ko ana ai yaw ko to section na ba aduna any parent ni yam pakhat pi ganu sima adu yam chaw bo hol loi bani na madu sa thok sin dan wai to mayam so le ra ni aduna akhoi corridor ba pha o mari khapani adigi horen isa sing ni program thok ko matam da angang ji manga tholok yaw ko ni angang yang khai thok kun tha tholok yaw ni program mayam da pire mayam na photo naming ba ji hauna sane zasim ta ngang elang nganu ko aduna photo namada lepkhalaga yarga nambi ga no sai da thopi o matai da akhona nakan na thare ba chauki khara ji pire mayam na photo nam na ba thaja ba chauki ni aigi isa gi serial number yom dai da isa thom dai da parent din thopi ro adu horen photo nam na ba mandi aswai da le parent hawgalaga photo nam la ga di maning da le parent jin ude ne yam warum ne yeba aduna photo nam ta da mayai da selection biganu isa participate ta parent jin na photo nam dai da songi matai da le piro du photo nam bi yo hore photo nam ba ya de no organizer na hai dum nam do le photo ne akhoi thingjade adu yare gi mi mo akai ba thok daro matai da le piro ga photo nam bi yo sima adu program mo ngi timing je khoi minute manga da gi minute tare phok lawi program se minute manga chapta da so angang je amuk chang gi ba kok thok pada another minute ani ma chang ya khona program da average minute tare kumbai na khoi na program je thai program akhoi program 26 program to guni ko kun ga taru program 26 program ni program ji overall timing ji pu ahum gum bani maya mun ta bi ko horen nuai na bani phan tho lambi o do 20 pung ahum gum boy ni aduna kano da hora padal lai ba parents jing ding ngata isa gi program ji loirani adu hek loi baga mayam phambi u natragana yam kuina phamma wara ga di nakan lai ba khoi gi coffee adagi akhoi momo chok chok chana ba bora chana ba leibire nga kotha bi somda su leibini ko horen isa gi program du lora ngak tan cha ma tho copy jaga thabak yam chin bodong asi yo di relax to wiro punga du di isa gi wena isa gi program lo ka na tan cha thak pi wa du gi ne ko ne thamjari ji sima ari ani su bada yam kuina phawon ji pungha ma he na pungam pham wa ram mani khangi adu kari guma isa gi program du na item number 11 da 12 ta leiraga di adum tea break se dum lobiro jung kuina phamba wa badugi thanaba ai chagi mande item number 32 de lega di horen magi program thung baro matung da tarane apung am autai tarane adu lega di na tang cha coffee dum thakbiyo lorga dum changbiro sumaina ko ni arrangement tok jabani masi akhoi na senjare be ji mayam so dum cooperation biyo adu akhoi parent ge loya thagrabani isa sing do serial number kya tagen serial number matuna serial number 20 da lega di horen khar theng ta ne ba adu lega di ngak tang tea coffee ꯑꯍꯥꯎ ꯑꯊꯨꯝ ꯆꯥꯕꯤꯔꯦ ꯏꯁꯥꯅ ꯉꯥꯛꯇ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯁꯥ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯔꯣ ꯍꯣꯔꯦꯟ ꯍꯧꯔꯝꯗꯥꯏ ꯑꯥꯏꯇꯦꯝ 5 ꯇꯔꯨꯛ ꯋꯥꯠꯂꯤꯉꯩ ꯆꯪꯉ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯀꯥꯏꯗꯦ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯟꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ 3 to 8 ꯁꯤꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ 1,600 700 ꯂꯥꯛ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯋꯥꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯟꯕꯗ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ 2,000 ꯍꯦꯜꯂꯦ ꯎꯄꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯄꯤꯛꯊꯅꯕ ꯄꯦꯔꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯅꯤꯡꯕꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯨꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝꯗꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚꯤꯇꯤ ꯆꯪꯉꯦ 2007ꯗ ꯔꯥꯍꯨꯜ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯥꯕꯤꯗꯅ ꯀꯦꯞꯇꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯁꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯜ ꯀꯞ ꯂꯧꯒꯅꯤꯅ ꯄꯥꯏ ꯁꯦꯋꯥꯛꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯏ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯦꯟꯗꯨꯜꯀꯔ ꯕꯦꯠꯁꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯇꯦꯟꯗꯨꯜꯀꯔ ꯁꯦꯋꯥꯛ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯥꯕꯤꯗ ꯒꯥꯡꯒꯨꯂꯤ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯕꯅꯦ ꯀꯦꯔꯤꯕꯤꯌꯟꯗ ꯇꯥꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ World Cup lowgani na pai nga mamang chai da semi final chang man hanta lowrani sin adu gadi ka dore first round da ka dore Bangladesh ma khud poye be India adai de Bermuda ki matu da kare ahum so play ji Sri Lanka ki ma khud po da na first round da hale por ning ba kai complete failure adu matam da Indian cricket team da hang da kari pangwe hang da khara mana hai jina khud semi final yore yare khara amna ngamu first round da tholai handati akoi final yogani haibo animak se negative goal ngata ne aspiration goal kai ne de pandam nu phanga harau gani thabu aspiration goal ko adu matam du ne akoina Mahendra Singh Dhoni lakhiba Gary Christian lakhibi 2008 ne 2008 ta Indian cricket team goal che World Cup logani thai karamba World Cup 2011 gi Bombay da sana ba World Cup logani thai madu aspiration goal ko kado wi logni no maram lai adu ai ko na hairage aduna first round da tholokiba Indian cricket team do mathang edition World Cup logani thai haidok te mayam da kanam da haidok te ko confidential aron do goal ne madu aspiration goal ko adu phanga harau gani tha aduna parents ni khanbi gadab se isa da limitation goal thabi gano reaction goal thabi gano ai lairan hora I isa paisa pahin gani hare gadi madu limitation goal chinge ai ba pan jang like tam phangte isa taman ge limitation goal chinge ai na gamak ta por ma isa da thon ge haira ba limitation goal chinge adu to go yate kari tawraga isa je harau gani kari phanga ma goal je ai na te go ma gi ni ko anami goal ko kon khanai se parent gi goal na te ma gi goal le ai gi goal na te aduna ma ai gi isa je kari tawraga ma nungai ga masibu aspiration goal ko adu raga de hayeng angang semba de am lai thokane adu lai ba di hekta lai ba di na te yam lu po ni sima ai thamja ge goal makhal hum sui ha ba adagi kamai to dana goal ji akoi punsi gi pandam ji phanga ta ge ha sida ai machak manga khang lai manga je hajara ma ge ai gi ngang ga matam se minute nipu ni moy organization piri je parents ngakang tabiro aina ngangi myam se yam na valuable kitang lu bani na pro loksan mangam do jai makha ta nai hayang YouTube ta kai sema thara ge goal makhal hum du khangiro mayang simuga mo haira ge ko if you want success in your life yes hard work is compulsory I agree this is my friends but my dear parents you may agree this also hard work hardly works I repeat again hard work hardly works yan khar loksan boram do mali thabak kan su ba se nungai gani habe guarantee leite mai pa kan habe guarantee chu leite thabak kan su khudin loi mai pa magadi likso thaw mi khudin mak lo mi khudin mak loina pasha pa ni loina mai pa ni loi pharane ba mayam yaning do aduna in simple word hard work hardly works kitang di lubani ko kan hona daga loina mai pa ko date mai pa na bo hona ba darkar le to do kan hona ba khodi mai pa ko na te mayam yare ko se adu mai pa ko da changba point manga ga je haira mage what are the elements to become a success hard work hardly works adu lotion biro aduga fajana munba ahaw wa chaba hainu dune badu mahi chaba ko mayam mahi chaba oi da pan jandra mahi chaba koina pami ji ahaw bo soi ba munju munba tintu sa da ba ada hainu ji yamna pan ba hainu ne koina pami mayam yare ko se sidi ba success adu bu yeng si akoina pami duna mahi but mahi du di lawe ahan mada mahi du support to godorba nga ka doriba poto masaga managa darkar leba masaga managa yaudra mahi nga ta pande ra hinu aduga masaga managa do adubu amuk pu goda support to goda ba maru mu darkar leba trang mayam no mau haina ba trang sigi makha si bu trang je mau si yam phara ju hekta yaro eba mara do solaga di nuksi sepada bom lauk tu ne ba he natraga mahi do phadana yalo mara do solaga do mara si bu root ko eba root si ju ling da yaro eba ruchu lingo mauzu phajaro manazu pharo masazu pharo mahi saga de habe guarantee leite ko kari gino aga di mayam khangbi ko ꯍꯩꯅꯧꯗꯤ ꯁꯔꯤꯛ ꯍꯩꯅꯧ ꯑꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯈꯪꯕꯤꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯄꯤꯁꯛ ꯄꯤꯛꯄꯗꯣ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯊꯨꯝꯕꯗꯣ ꯁꯔꯤꯛ ꯍꯩꯅꯧ ꯊꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤꯀꯣ ꯎꯍꯩ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯍꯩꯖꯥꯎꯗꯤ ꯄꯥꯜꯂꯔꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯌꯥꯔꯤꯀꯣ ꯄꯥꯟꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯄꯥꯜꯂꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯍꯥꯎꯕ ꯍꯩꯅꯧ ꯃꯔꯨ ꯊꯥꯔꯒ ꯑꯍꯥꯎꯕ ꯃꯍꯩ ꯄꯥꯜꯂꯛꯀꯅꯦꯕ ꯃꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯁꯤꯠ ꯀꯧꯋꯦꯕ ꯃꯉꯥꯁꯦ ꯆꯪꯉꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯍꯩꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯔꯣꯏꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯛꯅꯦꯕ ꯐꯥꯏꯅꯦꯜ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯛꯅꯤ ꯃꯍꯩꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯃꯍꯩꯗꯤ ꯃꯁꯥꯗ ꯃꯁꯥꯒ ꯃꯅꯥꯒ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯂꯩ ꯃꯔꯨ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯂꯩ ꯃꯔꯥ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯁꯤꯠ ꯃꯔꯨ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯕ ꯃꯔꯨ ꯐꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯍꯩꯗꯨ ꯐꯔꯣꯏꯕ ꯁꯤ ꯎꯍꯩꯗ ꯄꯥꯜꯂꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯁꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯚꯥꯞ ꯇꯥꯔꯕꯅꯤ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯄꯜ ꯏꯗꯨꯀꯦꯁꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯔꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯂꯥꯏꯐꯇ ꯄꯨꯁꯜꯂꯛꯑꯒꯦ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯗ ꯁꯛꯁꯦꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯕꯗ ꯄꯣꯠ 5 ꯆꯪꯉꯦꯕ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯅꯣꯂꯦꯖ ꯀꯧꯏ ꯅꯣꯂꯦꯖ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯏꯟꯐꯣꯔꯃꯦꯁꯟ ꯗꯥꯇꯥ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯣ ꯅꯣꯂꯦꯖ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯦꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯅ ꯇꯥꯛꯏꯕ ꯌꯨꯅꯥꯀꯣ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯗ ꯇꯝꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ 90%ꯁꯦ ꯅꯣꯂꯦꯖꯅꯤꯀꯣ ट्यूशन ओजा मैम तबीरीब नॉलेज ने इंफॉर्मेशन डाटा लाइक कई नॉलेज नाने यूट्यूब मैम बट दिस इज द फाउंडेशन सिगतनदी यारोय फाउंडेशन नी अदुगो हुजिक अगांग ना थोलागा सिदई इसई शामदो मैम उबिरेदना अदु स्किल गवे प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन ऑफ द नॉलेज टू डू ए पर्टिकुलर जॉब थबक अमा तौदबा ज्ञान दु थबक ओंथोक ngambagi magundo adu skill गवे डॉक्टर अमने एमबीबीएस तंग तमलोय बा अंगांग रामी गाम लायंग दबदु दु एमबीबीएस डॉक्टर ने बा प्रैक्टिस तौरकान स्किल लाक्तोय ने अदमाय तौदना सानरोय अमना कमाय सानगदगे ओजान तापी बदु नॉलेज नि फील्ड कुमगा सानरकांदा स्किल लाक्तोय ने स्विमिंग नि ओजा अमने कमाय इरोयगदगे क्लासरूम तंबी बदु नॉलेज नि स्विमिंग ओना पुखी दु कुमगा खोंबान दु कुमगा स्विमिंग पूल कुम इरोय द इदो अदु स्किल ने अदु स्किल जे सेकेंड फेज ने नॉलेज स्किल अखुन ताइब खुदे वो योनाकोन तब 90% नॉलेज गातनेब सिन जे अंगांग माइ पाको यागिरोय स्किल लम दरकार लेरे अदु नि ngसायना अंगांग चाहि यम दो अमुक तो स्टेज होन दे आजे स्किल एप्लीकेशन ऑफ नॉलेज अनि सुरे को नॉलेज के स्किल के छे अखोगी मियो बिना उबे याब खंगबे याब पोतुनि स्किल याम लाइब चाहि क्या होजा ओरे बा टीचिंग एक्सपीरियंस ले रहा है अनि जे अराइ बने अदु नतबा अहुम मगा दरकार लैको माइ पाकनबा अहुम से खंगबा वाबा उबा वाबा मनुंग फुमगा लैयो पोने सि अहुम जे फत्रगदी अनांग माइ पाओय सिबो कोने एटीट्यूड हाय एटीट्यूड जे अहुम थोना हायरमगे एटीट्यूड सि कैनो होगदि अमना सेल्फ इमेज कवी इसाना इसा जे करीने खंजगे सिबु सेल्फ इमेज कवी मसि अंगांग लेदि खंगबा वागे पेरेंग ने तापयो पेरेंग जे अप्लाई तोयम सेल्फ इमेज कवी मसाना मसा जे व्यवहार तोजबरा मसाना मसाबु हंधने यंगजबरा मसाना मसाबु वांग थांगचबरा मसाना मसा देबा सिबु सेल्फ इमेज कवी सि नेमगदी अंगांग जे माइ पाको वागनी आइदि मयाम दे खरा हंदै आइदि मयाम दे खरा हाइबो वाली मयाम के माने मथंद मनुंग खंजरगदी हाइजोरक पे हाइजोरक तबे अंगांग जे माइ पाको वागने अदो अकोइदसु अप्लाई तौगे एनी लेरिबा पेरेंट मयाम मदु माइ पाको नु सेल्फ इमेज कवे इसाना इसादा खंजब वाखलो अहुम सुबत हाइग्रे मरी सुबदा अखोई ट्राइब कवी ट्राइब द बिहेवियर नि सिदि लमचा थाचन हाइबा दारे अखोगी अंगांग जी याम सावगनबा याम इमोशनल ओबा याम कपकनबा लेबनी को अंगांग जे सावगनबा लेबनी खितंग नांगबदा याम दि अंगांग जे लांगबा खितंग चैरुबदा पी याम नौबा अंगांग लेबने मयाम थेंगना बिरंगनी को याम कपकनबा याम इमोशनल ओबा अंगांग लेबने सि तोंगा ले याम इमोशनल ओरगदि मा जे सिनेमा दरमा एक्टिंग चाना दोइनी को याम सावगन मी से मसी डॉक्टर गुम होहन बा यादे को पेशेंट ने फुने ये भाई अबे सावगन मने याबा थबक जी खरा तांगे सावगन मना याबा दे खोगे आईआरयू एमा गुम खरा पुलिस तो के खरा यागदरा सावगन मने याबा थबक से तो प्रोमिस नो अद पुलिस तो यादे को पीपल को रिएक्शन थोए सी वुड ट्रैक को अद याम इकाई थिगन बा सिगी मगुन मैम से सिदी तबना तबना सेंबी बयाई को मतम हुजिक अंगांग जाकु याम नौरी दो पेरेंगदी खंजन बिरो तबना सेंबी बयाई सि ट्राइक कवे मरी सुरे अरु बगिसिना ख्वाइदि मरु पोने मोटिव कवे दिस द डीपेस्ट खोइ खुदि मत लैबा तो सिदा फमिबा अनि जे अखोइ प्रेसिडेंट मेंबर जे अमना MPS ne amana MCS officer ne moi gisu motive layeba motive haibadi akhoi mioi bada kanam ta haidok tana ai ko un thamba posi motive ko we ai haidok age ko ja hoji MCS oi ri che masu IS oi ningi ne ba karam ba IS ka ga dagi mo hol ine akhoi BS du kana gre aduna service kera sokpa de thok padan tau de landro ne MCS officer IS oi ningi ho sani keno lande ba apho po ne ba adu phang lo ma apho thok yam tau de motive tu le de ta ka le de MCS oi ri ma ka promotion ka du ya re ga di ka tu kara ma ma thok to ra ne chi motive ko chi MPS officer sa ma ne mo ne ka je karam ba IPS ka ga de che ne chi motive ko ba ko cha ma ne ma yam so si SI ko ba ko karam ba dai si ka no SI du ma thang promotion ka ga de ge ma thang du AD ka khan da ba ga ta ne any profession da lai ba doctor senior to ka ni o za wa na ai teacher senior ka to lo kama higla si khan ma ta ne si motive ko ai ge gi ko mun da lai ri ba mingon da haidok ta ba haidok ju ai haidok ta ju ai aya ma matam da haidok na de ko manung da khalli ba apam ba si si po se si patra ga angang ji seng ko pati yang wai aduna si phan ba ji kwai da ka oi si motive ko ngasagi ubam bi da hara kana mahai masa maru mara maru ama dor angang dana knowledge skill self image try motive to maru du ni ko maru phatra ba angang do parent ne phanyam ta su osana phanyam ma to su yar weba adu tanga bi maru du ne ba makok ta lei ba potu ne maru ko we maru wa do ko pambi da kan hai hawai sa ko ju maru phata di apho ko ju pa lo ba maru ko wi se adu maru se ai example na haira ma mayam ji ji tang du ra man lai thong na ba angang je makala lium su bani ko tuition yo za lak tri gai lari puthok ta ba si sum tau lai ba si sum tau chena dum haine chama ne ai ju lai chama ne sigum ba ama angang je adagi ibungo se nang school pung ta do na firo lo chalo lai hap chalo karo hai ba ma adu ba da ho yar ga adum phamung re gol ya da ba ing mani na angang khara mana yam tang na thok ni ko tuition yo za lak ta ba thi da ba mathanda lai si puthoga papa hogi ba angang school head halapaga uniform hongda thidana howa hana toba angang mapa mana haina ba ngai dana mathanda mathok masa khang ba angang su yaw mani bayam yari ko swai da ken akun bagi angang ji masing yama moy ba khange ba bagi angang masing yam dam na khu thang ga la roi khange ba si angang si di 5% den yaw roi adu ya angang do makok mang da motive tu yang phara bane mapa mana haina ba naidra ba ojana haina ba naidra ba masana masagi mathau masa khang ba angang do madu motive yang phaba angang ne phajana guide to birga phomi dum oira da bane aduna akhoi isa myam du hundu ba ya da bina adu gum oira magadi phare motive tu oiram dra gadi adu tana ba sem ba pere na khoi thau ne lai bao ne hai ba chai ba ta na yar wa ba nang he sakhe ba dum game du mobile dum phak khine chi gi chi makhal ahum je ai ma si mayam tham jarage manga changi success oi bada ado hat wa nga ta di mai pa ko na te aina atobo do simpham bu handan ngang na te to do hard work asina mai pak na success guarantee din na te hard work aya am to ga mai pak to bi tama da lay mai pak to khuding mak hard work to di hai ya ro ba lai ba khuding mak thabak suning di hai ya ro ba suna lai ro mi dum lay ba mayam ya ningo si dia mo ye da thabak suning di hai ya ro aduna madugi journey du di am sang ai mo na ngasi din matam phangdre wala the step side do ai heng choi da parent mayam da ai video ma te sema mayam da share to atai da na ta ba social media na ta ba khogi at least as a family as a friend ai khang mayam du share to ke aduna anang da manga le du tak jare si mathang da akhogi positive part में हम हाई करे कितन असोइबा negative part चुकरा हाई हो रगे हाई बदी सिंबोंग में ना बतरकार लाइबा area कर हाई रगे अखोगी हुजिक्सी सिगी मतमनी मोबाइल की मतमनी अदो आई मरुक की जन्म जो है ना yes मोबाइल जी काना बयाब दरकार ले अखोजु ये अनो उरो ज्ञान लक्ष्मी में YouTube तो Facebook थी बा खबर तो मैं हम जी पाए बा करीनो सी कहीं नो जो हम बेस लाइव उन्हें पाप हम उसी सतत हंगलो सी कहीं लेगी ना याम काने चुमे तो वो दबो अखोई ने पेरेंगे दा ज्ञान ताद्रिबा ngang दा section का दबो खर्च जुले बा अहन गई अदो अहन से मोबाइल से आई ना खम बदा मेशोर में हम जी काना बकी दम बक्ता सीना बदी 70-80% जो रोइदा अया मना Instagram दा सिंग मदने वाला इरीजे Instagram Facebook दा सिंग मदने वाला इरीजे सिर्फ पंगा ये Instagram तो भी कहीं तंबे आओ ना के Instagram की टेक्निक से Instagram में जाया मातेन मंगा तनी 1 मिनट की मखांग आते नहीं बको Instagram से सिंग मदे कमाई तो गए याम अरुवते सुमाइलो तो गए सिंग बने बको हचांग सुबह लगा नुकसान सोन थवे हो लगे Instagram सिंग बने बको थवे बदु ताना डिजाइन तो इन्हें मोइना याम थवा याव ना बको अदो YouTube तो दी अखोगी तब न थी नहीं है नॉलेज हम थी ना होना बको अदो Instagram याम सिंग मदे क्या काना रोई को YouTube तो नॉलेज थी बदी याम काने अदो आयाम बा एदल से नहीं जे 90% 80% दी काना दब सिने काना बदा सिना बदु याम दे हाइबनी सिना बियो काइदे काना सिना बियो सिमा अदुगा नसाइगे अखोगे पेरेंट्सिंग ना करिगो मतमदा अखोइसु दुम तवी अनांग सिंगांग ना बा यारक्तबा ngawsona walangakpa adagi mama pan thabak chinba जो ऑफिस का नबा फिरो लोशन बा चाइचिंग थोंबा फुंग तबुदा अंगांग जे nang लाइक पाउ दिया दे लांगी दो अदि लांग बा फनबा सी पायु न थक पिसन बा मयाम यावबि ब्रो अंगांग से सेनबा ngangnaba ngamakta मोबाइल ngah ye un मोबाइल पिसन लंबा याव दबरा खंगदे कनामता काम नौलक्तरे ए पुथांग बा यावरा बाने याव को मसिबु फजदब हाइदी ओइदारे आई हाइदे याद्रे को पेरेंट मैम ने आई फ्रेंड हाइजरबनी मसिबु आइना मैम ताबियु को लेजी पेरेंटिंग कवे LAZY लेजी पेरेंटिंग दरकार लेको लेजी पेरेंटिंग नतबा अंगांग द मोबाइल बिसन बजे मसिबु लेजी पेरेंटिंग कवे सी तौबु तो पियो हबंते तौरी फोटो खंबियो हाइबा मसिबु लेजी पेरेंटिंग कवी मसी अदुम तौना बचे कया फाफब नते अंगांग दुना चाही के मतंग चानादना येंगोइदबा येंगुरगा मंगोदा तोंगा तो खन दिबे मरुना हन सोशल मीडिया से ताहाइदबा होइदो मयाम मणिपुर दा थागलेबा स्क्रीनिंग तौदना येंगबा यारोइदबा मयाम थागलेबा सोशल मीडिया दा खबर दो मदु कखलगा ममलगा मी असीबा थागबा यादे समसमना हाइबा असीबदु ममाय मी कुजलगा ता अखोइगिदि पक्का थागले एनी थौदो नुमाइतो मदु अंगांगना उरुगा करिनो खंदो मको अदुना पेरेंटिंग ना मसीगी पोसी में पिसन मतमदा अंगांग येंबा याबरा यादबा खंगदबसी जंबेरा लय अंगांग दो अदुना लोना अदुगी इफेक्ट तोगनी सिमा मयाम खंजन बिरो अदुगा अमना अखोगी सिबु सेल्फ डिस्ट्रक्टिव हैबिट कवेना इसान इसा मानन जबगी हैबिट अमगा मरिगा हाइजागे से टेंशन लागे सेल्फ डिस्ट्रक्टिव हैबिट this is applicable to the parents and applicable to the students children self destructive habit isan isa mangan jabagi habit ngasai maru gi jangna hairam idu ayam mana bangakani aina khara hena elaborate tawraga management gi language ama de professional language hairakuni isan isa mangan jabaje maya bun ma tawba ahan bada blame isana isa blame tawjaba aina soibadagi aina fatabadagi aina aduma tawbadagi sibaina isade soire ko ima so ai bunji soire ko isana isabu ningam do phangjabaje masi blame kowi blame je sigi keri adum purga safara maram oidana isada free oidana tawningma tawbangam daba negative wakhan mayam leiba sibu blame kowi masi afabanate sima ani subada sorry blame aje mingonda tainaba soire blame aje haibadi aina ngasi oi film je ima ipana soibadaini isin now soibadaini laikai soibadaini fajana sembirate mathang mathang taina ba sibu blame kowi mingonda taina ba thabak si blame kowi masin ma ron punchi da mai pa na thawak tawangam de chatpa ngam de aduna blame je mai pa kai ga de masi handabiyo isada ju khanbiyo isada ju habiyo ibunga mingonda blame to bata ngono oza da blame to atoba to no blame to ga negative me amra pa ngam de ꯑꯗ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯨꯕꯗꯅ ꯒꯤꯜ ꯏꯁꯥꯅ ꯏꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯏꯔꯥꯟ ꯌꯥꯖꯕ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯁꯣꯏꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯋꯥꯠꯄꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯍꯧꯗꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯦꯞ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯥꯟꯅ ꯂꯧꯔꯨꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯣꯏꯔꯦꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯊꯟꯗ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯈꯟꯖꯕ ꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯒꯤꯜ ꯀꯧꯋꯦꯕ ꯒꯤꯜꯁꯤꯒ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝꯁꯤꯒ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯇꯧꯐꯝ ꯈꯪꯗꯕ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯁꯦ ꯐꯨꯝꯕꯪꯅꯕ ꯅꯦꯒꯦꯇꯤቭ ꯃꯥꯏꯟ ꯆꯠꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯜꯐ ꯏꯃꯦꯖꯇ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯣꯛꯑꯦ ꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯄꯦꯔꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯈꯪꯕꯤꯒꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯁꯦꯝꯃꯅ ꯏꯁꯥꯅ ꯏꯁꯥꯁꯤ ꯏꯀꯥꯏꯖꯕ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯍꯩꯕ ꯏꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕꯅ ꯍꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯐꯖꯕ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯍꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯃꯐꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯐꯖꯕ ꯁꯦꯠꯂꯤ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯍꯩꯇꯕ ꯋꯥꯠꯂꯤ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯀꯝꯄꯤꯌꯔ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯃꯊꯟꯇ ꯅꯦꯒꯦꯇꯤꯚ ꯆꯠꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯗ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯄꯦꯔꯦꯟꯁꯨꯅꯤ ꯃꯤꯒ ꯆꯥꯡꯗꯝꯅꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯁꯤ ꯋꯥꯠꯂꯤ ꯈꯟꯖꯕ ꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯏꯁꯥꯁꯦ ꯍꯟꯊꯅ ꯂꯧꯖꯕ ꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯁꯦꯝ ꯀꯧꯏ ꯏꯁꯥꯅ ꯏꯁꯥꯕꯨ ꯏꯀꯥꯏꯖꯕ ꯀꯅꯥꯝꯇ ꯄꯥꯔꯐꯦꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯂꯩꯕꯣte ꯀꯅꯥꯝ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯂꯩꯕꯣte ꯀꯅꯥꯝ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯕ ꯂꯩꯕꯣte ꯑꯁꯣꯏꯕ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯦꯝꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯑꯐꯠꯇꯕ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯏꯁꯥꯗꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯒꯅꯨ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯒꯅꯨ ꯁꯤꯃ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯁꯨꯕ ꯃꯔꯤꯁꯨꯕꯅ I am not worth ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯆꯥꯗꯦꯅ ꯈꯟꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯀꯅꯥꯝꯇ ꯂꯩꯕꯣteꯕ ꯄꯔꯐꯦꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯕ ꯀꯅꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯕꯣte ꯀꯅꯥꯝꯇ ꯄꯔꯐꯦꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯦ human being are the combination of imperfect items ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ imperfect ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ imperfect ꯉꯥꯛꯇ combination perfect ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯗꯤ only the God ꯏꯁꯣꯔ ꯈꯛꯇꯅꯤ perfect ꯑꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ perfect ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯦ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗꯤ ꯏꯁꯣꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯦ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯅꯤ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯃ ꯏꯆꯥꯈꯩꯗꯁꯨ ꯁꯤꯃ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯕꯤꯔꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯤꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯥꯎꯗꯅꯕ ꯇꯧꯔꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯤꯁꯤꯃ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯏꯆꯥꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯍꯟꯗꯛ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯄꯦꯔꯦꯟꯅ ꯁꯤꯃꯇꯪꯒ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯉ ꯍꯥꯏꯍꯧꯔꯒꯦ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯋꯥꯔꯛꯄꯗ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯍꯨꯝ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕꯤꯒꯗꯕꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯧꯗꯦ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯇꯪ ꯇꯧꯔ ꯇꯣꯛꯑꯦꯕ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯒꯥꯏꯗꯦꯟꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯗ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯋꯥꯇꯥꯏ ꯁꯥꯕꯗ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯇꯪ ꯇꯥꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯥꯕꯤꯌꯨꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯤꯗꯕꯦꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯩ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯔ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯄ ꯂꯩꯉꯣꯏꯗ ꯐꯤꯗꯕꯦꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯋꯥꯇꯥꯏ ꯁꯥꯕꯗ ꯐꯤꯗꯕꯦꯛ ꯑꯐ ꯐꯠꯇ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯏꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯐꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯏꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯁꯥꯕꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯆꯥꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯐꯩ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯆꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯁꯥꯏ ꯃꯤꯇꯣꯞꯇ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯁꯥꯏ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯗ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯁꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯕꯇꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯁꯥꯗꯦ ꯁꯤꯃ ꯑꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯒꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯆꯨꯝꯕ꯭ꯔ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯨꯀꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏꯗꯗꯤ ꯏꯆꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯁꯥꯏ ꯏꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕꯗ ꯁꯥꯏ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯗ ꯁꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯏꯆꯥ ꯃꯁꯥꯃꯛꯇꯨꯗꯗꯤ ꯏꯕꯨꯡꯉꯣ ꯅꯪ ꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯔꯦ ꯏꯄꯥ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯔꯦ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯔꯦꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯁꯥꯗꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯋꯥꯇꯥꯏ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯍꯨꯝ ꯄꯤꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯄꯣꯖꯤꯇꯤꯚ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯏꯕꯨꯡ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯑꯐꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯈꯩꯅꯤ ꯅꯪ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯅꯤꯁꯥ ꯆꯥꯗꯕ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯊꯋꯥꯏ ꯌꯥꯎꯅ ꯄꯥꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯐꯕꯅꯤ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯏꯄꯥꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯐꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯣꯖꯤꯇꯤꯚ ꯐꯤꯗꯕꯦꯛ ꯅꯦꯒꯦꯇꯤꯚ ꯏꯕꯨꯡ ꯅꯪ ꯁꯤꯈꯩ ꯁꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯃꯣꯕꯥꯏꯜꯗ ꯂꯥꯏꯆꯨꯒꯅꯨ ꯆꯥꯡ ꯅꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯥꯖꯦꯟ ꯇꯧ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯂꯥꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯇꯕꯗꯨ ꯐꯠꯇꯦꯅ ꯐꯠꯇꯦꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯕ ꯕꯦꯂꯦꯟꯁ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯁꯨꯕ ꯋꯥꯠꯂꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯩꯁꯦ ꯄꯣꯖꯤꯇꯤꯚꯀ ꯅꯦꯒꯦꯇꯤꯚꯀꯗꯤ ꯈꯪꯉꯦ if we know only positive and negative then it will become a black and white TV mayam haje only positive feedback negative feedback positive feedback negative sumidho kumar ja positive negative means black and white but my dear friends life is not black and white black and white means 1980 and the 1990 now it is a color TV matamni we want colorful life so we should give another color that is called constructive feedback suggestive feedback positive ka piro negative ju piro suggestive constructive feedback dam neba sigi areas inge tawro du nang parani na phatta ba ta hai bose phatte aduna kaubiranu 30% positive habiro 30% negative habiro 40% amadi constructive suggestive habiro angang ni phagalakna this is very important my dear parents aduna soidise akhoi du dum yauri ne mayam yare ko sima soida thalawna ai chapter sima close tongsalage adu mathang da why parents have to choose una ko school kadobogi why you na ko school kado parent na khandori mo je hajarage I have put you 5 points point manga hajage kadobogi ahan bada yuna ko school gi sahi taragi academic track record lay yam phadana academic performance to bogi sahi khudi class 10 amdi 12 ta adum position holder thok lay manipur da first second third first second am ama ni da ko adum yawe ba 10 12 da mamang sahi da ju sigi mayam na uriba school je sigi sunu haidaba school je tamba anang do class 12 ta ayush mishaka wi tripura da gini ma manipur gi topper ni CBSE da mapa do ko triple IT gi professor ni alma hoji di Indian Institute of Science Bangalore da माजी ग्रेजुएशन तमरे मा जीई फावी मेन मा लौदी कई इंडिया सिर्फ साइज बेंगलोर से इंडिया के टॉप यूनिवर्सिटी ने अब ख्वाइदगी टॉप यूनिवर्सिटी मा संग्रे हो मिंग चंग्रे अदुगा नुपी की किना कोई मयाम खंगबी बको कोई मिरांडा हाउस दिल्ली की जे सी नुपी की टॉप यूनिवर्सिटी ने सिदा चाही गुदी अखोई छात्र अमा नि अमनि दुम तमे अदुना ख्वाइदगी टैलेंट ओब छात्र मा अखोई चाही 10 चंग अखोई पुथोलाए मयाम ने एलिस छात्र खुदी मति लोय फलन ngमोय बट अफबा छात्र मयाम नि थोलकने बखोई दगी आइना से तम लोय फने हारे आई एम लाइंग आई एम सिटिंग बट अखोई अंगांग परीक्षा अम फेल होदि लोयना पास तवे जे हाइबा ngमेबा बट लोयना अब 90% चकने हाइगदि आइना आई मदु ओइदब ngang ताने अदुदि यारोय बट अंगांग खुदी मति कोई पास तवनब जो कोई कन होनै अदु टॉपर मयाम थोय अखोई दगी मेडिकल इंजीनियरिंग खन दमा यावे अदु अदुगी मथक्तने हाइजे ख्वाइ वांग मयाम तमरे सिमा अनिसुबदा अखोई एजुकेशन वर्ल्ड की रैंकिंग दा कोई जी मणिपुर की नंबर 1 नंबर 2 ताबसे दुम चाहि खुदी खोमन मै तम साइ हला जुसे ताइ ऑल इंडिया रैंकिंग दा कोई 46 रैंक तारबनि छे कोई यूनाको स्कूल खोमन जे मोइ ngai चाहि 10 खदम फारे स्कूल अमन सिगी रैंकिंग में चलबसे कमाइ चलिनो ममदी चाहि ऑल इंडिया कंपनी चाहि अरिबे स्कूल मैम लय चाहि 10 दा सी जों चन मंगम जे याम तांग थोए सिमंगाए अदु मथंगा एक्सपीरियंस लेरबा ओजा मैम लय मैनेजमेंट मैम लय अदुगा कैंपस याम सिक्योर ओवर कैंपस नि सिगी कैंपस सिदी ओनली क्लास 19 गतनिना सिदी कोई पूरा लोसंद्री अदुगा खोमंद लेरो कैंपस सिदी वेरी सेफ ओवर सिक्योर ओवर कैंपस नि मनिंग कैंपस मैम तमी बामसी टोटल 24 आवर सीसीटीवी कैमरा ना कंट्रोल तो कैंपस नि अदुगा होल एरिया से हमजे फुटरे निपान वांग लो फेंसिंग खार बने कैंपस जफम लेतरो याम सेफ ओवर कैंपस ने कोई कैंपस सि मैम ना पेरेंट मैम ना अंगांग अमगतन अनि गतन याम सेक्शन मंगा तनी अखोय मतम दरे अंगांग तरे बा पोई को 10 पको जावे अंगांग अदे फ्री थादो क्या सेक्शन नते को लाइक तम चलो जखरगा हलैरा हलकर ज्ञान तापतेबा लाइक तम जखर इमानम लेक को जावे तुरेन जखमगा अदम कोग्रेन खुल लेबो जावे हुजिक अंगांग अमनि दंग याम सेक्शन नै अदुना सोमी सेक्शन बै सादो अखोय जुम सेक्शन थौरांग लौजरी सोम दा को याम सेफ ओवर कैंपस अदुगा मंगा सुबारो बचे व्हाट इज द गोल ऑफ यूनाको स्कूल व्हाट इज द विजन ऑफ यूनाको स्कूल अखोगी पांदम से कइनो सिन अनाम हाइजरगे द गोल ऑफ यूनाको स्कूल इज टू प्रोड्यूस फ्यूचर रेडी स्टूडेंट्स इज टू प्रोड्यूस फ्यूचर रेडी पीपल हाइबदी तुम द दरकार लेगदब छात्र पुथोपसे अखोगी इथौने अखोगी पांदम ने ngasi हुजि जगोय सादो बिसे अंगांग मयाम से चाही कुन कुमगाय मतुंगा थबक तौदोयने ngasi हुजि होरेन थबक तौगिरोय चाही कुन नत्र कुमगाय मतुंगा थबक तौतोयनी अदु मोगी मतमदुदा दरकार लेबा नॉलेज ज्ञान तंबितोयने चाही कुन कुमगा मतमदु अखोजी कई होदे खंगदे को अदु मतमदु अखोई हुजिक नथि ताकपि तबिरिबसे दरकार लेगद लेरोयदे जोय खंगदे ब दरकार लेरि पोते कइनोदि मतमदु लाकदा अनौ अनौ अहुम मयाम दो टेक्नोलॉजी मयाम होई मयाम दुदा एडाप्ट तो ngमनबा सुसनबा ngमनबा अनौबो वाकल लोकिंग तंबिबा ngमनबा फाउंडेशन थेबा ताकपिबो कोई थौने अदु मतमदु दरकार लेगद बोदे आइजु खंगदे नोजि अखोई मतमदुदा लैंडलाइन दो लेते कनो इलेक्ट्रिक टिट नालिसिन लोरे हुजिदि सी थोन इसिन सिदा लोय लुखरे हा सी बोस अंगकनि कुमार जी को मयाम कैलकुलेटर पाइनरी ब्रो सिदा यावरे गाड़ी सिनरी ब्रो आइदि गाड़ी सिदबो कुइरे को सिदा सिन गाड़ी यावदाय ने पुंग थोए कैलकुलेटर थोए अदुदा नते ने कैमरा दो तुम सिलोय थोदाय ने वीडियो जो नंबर यारे फोटो जो नंबर सिलो यावरे सिबो थोलकनि थाजबरा सुमाय तौदना चाही 10 कुन मतुंगा अखोय खंग मयाम थोलखिदि संसार मदुगी मतमदु हिंबा ngमनबा फ्यूचर रेडी स्टूडेंट तो पाजे कोई थौने अदो सिमा जो हाइगे अखोना तंबिरिबा छात्र जे 10% ने गोमे थौ फंगवाय ngasi manipurda थबक तौजी मी लिसिंग मरफु मु तौरे सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट दा मी लिसिंग 10 मु तरिसिंग मु ग्राम थबक तौई मणिपुर मी लिसिंग लाख कुथ्राम दु कुथ्राम नि चाही खुदिंगी क्लास 12 ता अंगांग लिसिंग ने फु पास तौए अदोगदी तो पास तो कोई क्वालिफाई वे लौरसे अदो गसी थबक तौ मी खुदिंग चाही कुथ्राम मा थबक तौनि बारो 35 ईयर अदो लिसिंग मरफु थबक तौरे चाही खुदिंगी मी लिसिंग अनि गा चौम जाबी रिटायर तौने रिटायर तौरिबा मसिंग सिने गवर्नमेंट सु रिक्रूटमेंट तौदुस रिटायर तौदुस अनो बा को पे आते गवर्नमेंट चाही खुदिंग गवर्नमेंट मी लिसिंग अनि चौम जाबी लिसिंग अनि चावा रिक्रूटमेंट तौने सिगतने और 40,000 दो यंथोन पारो 10% के गवर्नमेंट थबक फंगोय लेमोरु मयाम दो अनदर 10% on मपान चला थबक तौगनि मणिपुरी वांगमदा आइना 10% है जे गवर्नमेंट थबक मणिपुरी निको लेमोरु 10% पान चखनी लेमोरु 80% दो either masana private business to wama harazua natraga private organization ma thok to bane this is the fact this is the reality you know go school na 30% ta dai tam le government thok phang ni no oi ba ya oi da pone si mayam da ai thamisin adu da di masa masana thabak to ngam na ba any thabak pham da thabak to ngam na ba wakal loksin gyan pi ba adu ne ba koi da ka le moi na government thok phang ni ta ko ai ke su ngam moi oi ju oi roi this is what called knowledge skill above the knowledge we want to teach them skill tam yu da ka le ate ta yam hai ni ai le adu yam hai ra da angang yam jam lang le re adu ngasi gi teller di chai de na yi chamin tham jaru pere me maru bi ganu this is just a teller chai da sum lo chen jage chi lo na na akoi chairman ka ki haram me adu ji manipur gi oina ngasi ji akoi khabar ba da ngai pa da central government di tolop ai pe chana ni hai gre adu central government employment am da koi yaw ngani moi gi da makta ngai phongdok chari congratulations you can have more money then you can have more enjoy family for central government employee congratulations sigal na another government na koi state government gi akoi honorable cm na 7% di hengalane na niwan utai gre so another congratulations I express my happiness for the state government employees hengal gre aduga lebo riba mayam si akoi sahi ani gi oba manipur gi tangtu leita da film jina maram oidana still 50% of our parents are private sector da work tawe ma he private business work tawe adu maram oidana akoi da sen thung gi awa ba je sahi amani ji ga thengnai adu government employment am thengna ramani mamdi hosigi matam da donation nakai gi natra mayam gi mayam ji pi ba da budget ta yaw da ba income di henga ta expenses mayam henga lamane chumi ko mayam sa adu da income du khara do hai the ba mayam ji income da la ga jo expenses yam chatle unplanned expenses mayam chatle sai amani ji chigu mayam ji koi khangi and business mayam wai khangi china maram oidana akoina yuna ko school da manipur gi leiriba economy film ji yenga akoi hujik lakadaba chahi gi hadare habedi hujik session ji master loirani april dai hogro session ji da mathang chahi gi hujik lakadaba session ji da akoi yuna ko school na tuition fee admission fee ji akoi kaimte hengal laro ya ji masi mayam da lakthok charage sentung film ji maram modana adulona chairman club ya 30% akoi concession fee local parengi fee ade akoi gi media house bang fee ade akoi ga vendor mayam da akoi concession fee sini adu sigai jini ai minute ani hendokre ai nganga da mata adu minute ama khatang logi ge the last the best gift a parent can give to his children is good education do you agree my dear parents respected parents mapa mama amoina isa da piba khwai chaw ko khutol je afaba lairik taman badune afaba schooling piba dune mayam yabibra hayeng nei sada mobile bi ju ai phirom phaja bi ju ai gari phaja ba tongal ju ai luhong ba da hayeng dukan pro ul ju ai low ul ju ai obu yam ul ju ai but adugi mayam du primary na tem primary di isa du da afaba lairik taman afaba school thara laik taman ma je machine mapa mai khwai ni chaw ko khudol ne lairik ko masan taman ga de mathan mi o jagra ga di officer o da pacha thuk jagra ga di aun bo to mathan mai lang jar ready kai no pere na ka do aun bo si lang pi lu isa ga ge afaba o na sem pi ro aun bo ti bu ko be nang lang jar ro dum hayu kai no la la bai hai ji bo so the best gift a parent can give to your children is good education, quality education, so that your children can become a good, successful human being. With these few words, once again, thank you very much, and I really salute the parents for taking the right decision in the coming year to attend your children's program. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Chairman Sir, for your motivating words. Your leadership continues to inspire and guide us towards excellence. Now, the awaited moment has arrived. We will be starting our cultural program. I would like to request our presidium members to please kindly occupy the front seats to witness the rainbow of wonders of our young talents. Meanwhile, we kindly request the organizers to arrange the stage for the performances. Parents Parents amadi guardian singda khanganjari madudi UNESCO school na ngasi sinjariba annual day celebration asida adom adomgi ichaga loinana photo namnabagidamak photo booth sem sadona thamjari. Parents sing na ichagi program manungda photo nambining bathoklabadi stage asigi nakan haibadi site oina thopiraga sinjariba photo booth ta nambinaba ningsingjari. Dear parents, I on behalf of UNESCO School request to kindly step aside and take photos during the cultural program of your children. Multi-purpose hall asigi manung asida function asigi damak where kaya laibana maram oiraga students amadi parents guardian singna chatpa matamda khara khajik cheksin binaba ningsingjari. In and around the multi-purpose hall, there are many wares setting out. Therefore, I kindly request students, parents and guardians to be more careful while walking around. To all the parents and guardians, we are pleased to announce that there is a live kitchen by the Elora Cafe that has been set up for your convenience. Please take a break and there are variety of refreshment. Enjoy it, including coffee, tea, and snacks. Live kitchen by the Elora Cafe is now open. Grab a cup of coffee or tea and indulge in some delicious snacks.
Good morning to everyone once again. Welcome you all to this momentous occasion, the celebration of our annual day. On the theme, Rainbow of Wonders, it refers to the different aspects and creativity, offering a vibrant and imaginative canvas for celebration. I myself Chandrama, and I'm joined by my remarkable co-host, Victoria, Dheeraj, and Julia, as we embark on an unforgettable journey through a morning of talents, achievements, and inspiration. Today marks not just the culmination of another fruitful year, but also a celebration of dreams nurtured, potential unlocks, and milestones achieved. This morning is a testament to the dedication of our fellow students and our dear friends, the unwavering guidance of our teachers, and invaluable support of our parents. Together, we promise to bring you a mesmerizing array of performances that showcases the creativity, passion, and hard work of our students. So please allow yourself to be enchanted by the brilliance that defines UNESCO School.
First of all, we have welcome dance by the KG students.
The welcome dance is a vibrant opening performance by our enthusiastic kindergarten students. Through their cheerful moves and colorful presentation, they express joy and warmth in welcoming everyone to the event. This delightful act symbolizes the spirit of togetherness and celebration. So, please welcome with a huge round of applause the KG students for welcome dance.
Serial number 2, we have action song by pre-nursery students, so please get ready. The annual day celebration is streaming live on Facebook, so please share it to your near and dear ones and never miss the opportunity.
Thank you KG students for your spectacular performance. Next we have action song by the pre-nursery students. An action song is children's song with movements that accompany the lyrics. It helps children develop gross motor skills and it also helps children learn to recognize parts of their body. So, please welcome our tiny talents to present their action song.
Say, read it. Next we have Halloween costume show by Group A of
Serial number 3, we have Halloween costume show by Group A of Standard 2, so please get ready. The annual day celebration is streaming live on Facebook, so please share it to your near and dear ones and never miss the opportunity.
Thank you very much for your wonderful performance.
Next we have Halloween costume show by Group A of Standard 2.
The show is about a child who wants to be a scary costume. Halloween costumes have a rich history that has spanned over 2,000 years, and it was believed that the veil between the dead and the living was at its thinnest. The evolution of the Halloween costume reflects the changing times and cultural influence of the past century. Let's welcome them with a huge round of applause.
Ladies and gentlemen, bats and ghouls, Mickey, Minnie, and all their friends have come together at the spookiest time of year to say boo to you as they proudly present the not-so-scary Mickey's Boo to You Halloween Parade! boy, I see you got my invitation. Welcome to our not-so-scary Halloween party. We're so glad you can make it. And look, the gang's all here. Happy Halloween! Oh my
Halloween.
Hope you're having a good time. It's not so very scary. It's really not so scary. Costumes. Woo! Just so I just love
Thank you for the splendid performance.
Coming up next, we are going to witness Hawaii dance by the nursery students.
Hawaiian dance is a combination of music, dance, and storytelling. It is an important part of Hawaiian culture and is often performed at ceremonies. So, please welcome them and explore ourselves to Hawaii Island.
Serial number 5, Roll Your Hands by pre-nursery students. So please get ready. Get ready to energize. Our live kitchen by Elora Cafe is now open, offering a range of specialty coffees, teas, and mouth-watering snacks.
Thank you for the eye-catching performance. Next we have Roll Your Hands action song by the pre-nursery students. It is a fun fitness and coordination action song for children rolling their hands in sound with the music. Let's welcome them with a big hand.
Serial number 6, we have Costume Parade, Journey Through India, Northern by Standard 1. So please get ready. The annual day celebration is streaming live on Facebook, so please share it to your near and dear ones.
Alright, everybody, let's get ready to warm up. Shake, shake, just like this. Shake, shake, just like this. Shake, shake, just like this. And move your hands. Wiggle, wiggle, just like this. Wiggle, wiggle, just like this. Wiggle, wiggle, just like this. And move your hands. Just like this, clap, clap, just like this, clap, clap, just like this, and move your hands.
Very much for your fabulous performance.
Coming up next, we are going to witness Costume Parade, Journey Through India, Northern by Standard 1.
This costume parade journey through India will be a breathtaking celebration of country's diverse cultural heritage, showcasing its rich textiles, intricate designs, and vibrant colors. Let us welcome them with a big hand.
Let's welcome them with a big hand.
Hello.
Thank you very much for your mesmerizing performance.
Next we have Kabul dance by KG.
It is a folk dance performed by Kabul people during harvesting season for a good harvest and heralds the beginning of a new year. Let us welcome them with a big round of applause.
Serial number 8, we will be having Halloween costume, Group B by Standard 2. So please get ready. The annual day celebration is streaming live on Facebook, so please share it to your loved, near and dear ones. Next, we'll be having serial number 8, Halloween costume by Group B of Standard 2.
of no words left to express. That was marvelous. Thank you very much, the KG students, for your wonderful performance.
Next we have Halloween costume show by Group B of Standard 2.
The show is about a child who wants to be a scary costume. Halloween costume have a rich history that has spanned over 2,000 years, and it was believed that the way between the dead and the living was at its thinnest. The evolution of the Halloween costume reflects the changing times and cultural influence of the past century. Let us welcome them with a huge round of applause.
Ladies and gentlemen, bats and ghouls.
For serial number 9, we have Rebuilding Soul by Standard 1.
At the spookiest time of year to say boo to you as they proudly present the not so scary Mickey's Boo to You Halloween Parade.
party. We're so glad you can make it. And look, the gang's all here.
What a wonderful performance. Thank you very much, Standard 2.
Next we have bodybuilding show by Standard 1.
It is an ultra-fine bodybuilding show that brings together the best physique. This high-level event showcases the dedication, hard work, and passion of the bodybuilding athletes. Let us welcome them with a big hand.
Next we'll be having Traditional Heritage, a fashion parade, Group A by Nursery, and that will be serial number 10.
drop till I'm over trend.
What an edifying performance. Thank you very much, Standard 1.
Next we have Traditional Heritage, a fashion parade by Group A of Nursery.
Fashion parade and traditional heritage of Manipur. It is a cultural fashion parade refers to cultural practice and skill passed on through generation within communities. Let us welcome them with a big hand.
Serial number 11, we will be having action song by Standard KG. So please get ready.
Nursery for a wonderful performance.
Next we have action song Khangna Khangna Khanho Deko by KG.
It is a song describing the sweet memories of childhood days. This song tells a story of how time moves forward, but the memory of those carefree days has remained etched in our hearts forever. Let us welcome them with a huge hand.
Parents na stage ki mataida laibiribasing parents ki damak thajariba seta phambiduna makha taba function asi yengbinaba ningsingjari. For serial number 12, we will be having Khamba Thoibi dance by Standard 1. So Standard 1, please get ready. Those parents Dear parents who are at the side of the stage, kindly take seats and continue watching the function. Next, kaino lao. For serial number 13, we have Costume Parade, Journey Through India, Southern followed by Eastern, by Standard 1.
For your mesmerizing performance.
Coming up next, we are going to witness Khamba Thoibi dance by Standard 1.
Khamba Thoibi dance is a traditional dance form from Manipur. It is a date dance that depicts the internal story of Khamba and Thoibi, two mythological figures of Manipuri folklore. Let us welcome them with a big hand.
Serial number 13, we will be having Costume Parade, Journey Through India, Southern followed by Eastern by Standard 1.
much for your fabulous performance.
Coming up next, we are going to witness Costume Parade, Journey Through India, Southern, followed by Eastern by Standard 1.
This costume parade journey through India will be a breathtaking celebration of the country's diverse cultural heritage, showcasing its rich textiles, intricate designs, and vibrant colors. Let us welcome them with a big hand.
Serial number 14, we will be having Boom Boom Dance by Standard KG.
Thank you very much for your eye-catching performance.
Next we have Boom Boom Dance by KG.
This dance shows the universal language of dance with electrifying performance, pulsating music, and breathtaking moves. Let's welcome them with a huge round of applause.
Serial number 15, we have Halloween costume sold by Group C of Standard 2. So please get ready.
I have no words left to express. That was marvelous. Thank you very much for your wonderful performance.
Next we have Halloween costume show by Group C of Standard 2.
The show is about a child who wants to be a scary costume. Halloween costumes have a rich history that has spanned over 2,000 years, and it was believed that the veil between the dead and the living was at its thinnest. The evolution of the Halloween costume reflects the changing times and the cultural influence of the past century. Let us welcome them with a huge round of applause.
Serial number 16, we will be having Talent Hanso by Taurangbam Thohenba, Standard 2D, Tuizan Mangkung, Standard 2E, and Yumkaibam Poirelei Mawangmam, Standard 1C. So please get ready.
Ladies and gentlemen, bats and ghouls, Mickey, Minnie, and all their friends have come together at the spookiest time of year to say boo to you as they proudly present the not-so-scary Mickey's Boo to You Halloween
Halloween, boo to you and you. Halloween, boo, a trick or treat for you, a trick, something sweet or treat, and good to eat for you. It's just boo or you know it's true. We have a boo to you and you and you and you. Happy Halloween, boo to you and you.
It's not so very scary. It's really not so scary. To you, boo, boo, boo. Boo to you, boo, boo, boo. Boo to you, boo, boo, boo. Boo to you, boo, boo, boo. It's not so very scary. It's really not so scary. Boo to you, boo, boo, boo. Boo to you, boo, boo, boo. Boo, 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 boo. To you.
Oh boy, I see you got my invitation. Welcome to our not-so-scary Halloween party.
We're so glad you could make it.
Trick
And look,
or treat.
the gang's all here.
You, that's boo, it's you, boo, boo, boo to you and you and you and you.
Happy Halloween!
A trick or treat for you.
Hello, little guy.
Trick, something sweet or treat, and good to eat.
Hello.
You, it's just boo or it's you.
Aren't you?
We
the marvelous performance.
Next, we have Talent Hunt Show by Standard 1 and 2.
It offers a unique opportunities for individuals to showcase their skills, gain exposure, and take their career to the next level.
First, to showcase his talent, let me call up on stage Taurangbam Toyenba of Standard 2D. He will be singing a song with the title Emptiness Machine. Please give a huge round of applause for him.
Serial number 17, we will be having Costume Parade, Journey Through India, Western by Standard 1. So please get ready.
Your place to happen is the season. Flashing your fame and I'm waiting in the distance. Just like you always do. Just like you always do. Already put me in. Already in my skin. I know exactly how it's ended. Let you open. Just to watch me play. To gain a who I am for who you wanted me to be. Don't know what you want, to what I don't see. Falling for the promise of an emptiness to say. Emptiness to say. Going around like to revolver. This been decided how we lose. Us standing by the narrator. I keep on lying to. I keep on lying to. Already put me in. Already in my skin. I know exactly how it's ends. Let you run me over. Just to watch me play. Getting up who I am for who you wanted me to be. Don't know what you want, just what I am. Falling for the promise of an emptiness to say. I only wanted to be part of something. I only wanted to be part of. I only wanted to be part of something. I only wanted to be part of. I only wanted to be part of something. I only wanted to be part. Let your body open just to watch me play. Being who I am for who you wanted me to be. Don't know what I want, but what I don't possess. Falling for the promise of an emptiness to say. Emptiness to say. Emptiness to say. Emptiness to say. Thank you, everyone.
There's a mic.
Next, let me call up on stage one of our talented student, Tuizan Mangkung of Standard 2E. He'll be presenting the music of Canon in D. Please give a huge round of applause for him. Hello.
Next, let me call up on stage Yumkaibam Porelema Wangam of Standard 1C. Please give a huge round of applause, everyone.
Serial number 17, we will be having costume period, Journey Through India, Western followed by Northeastern by Standard 1. Serial number 18, we will be having Beginner Rhythm by Standard 1.
For a spectacular performance.
Coming up next, we are going to witness Costume Parade, Journey Through India, Western followed by Northeastern by Standard 1.
This costume parade, Journey Through India, will be a breathtaking celebration of the country's diverse cultural heritage, showcasing its rich textiles, intricate designs, and vibrant colors. Let us welcome them with a big hand.
Next, in serial number 18, we will be having Beat in a Rhythm by Standard 1. So please get ready. Lauthok Chabama, Hyundai Venue MN01A G5763, Hariba Gari asi Senior Secondary Block ki Manungda Khamduna Leire, Hariba Gari asi Muktang Lauthok Pinaba Ningsing Jari.
Thank you very much for your wonderful performance. This is indeed a platform to showcase our talents. Next, we have Beat in a Rhythm by Standard 1.
It serves as the underlying structure for movement. Dancers use the beat to execute steps, rhythms, and patterns in synchronization with the music. Let us welcome them with a huge round of applause.
Serial number 19, we will be having Traditional Heritage, a fashion parade, Group B by Nursery, so please get ready. Serial number 20, we will be having Minion Dance by Standard 2, so please get ready.
Game start. Kissy face, sent to your phone, but I'm trying to kiss your lips for real. Red hearts, that's what I'm on, yeah. Come give me something I can feel. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? See tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
It's whatever you like. Turn this opposite into a club. I'm talking drinking, smoke, drink, party all night. Come back, go, what's up? Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Say tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
อยู่ครับ
Wait, yes, ma'am. Wow, what? Thank you very much. Wait, speed in a rhythm to start on time. The beat in a rhythm projector is a second.
Standard one.
Oh yeah, she said. Okay, next. Oh. Wow, what an electrifying performance. Thank you very much, Standard 1.
Next we have Traditional Heritage, a fashion parade by Group B of Nursery.
Fashion parade on traditional heritage of Manipur. It is a cultural fashion parade refers to cultural practice and skill passed down through generation within communities. Let us welcome them with a big hand.
Serial number 20, we will be having Minion Dance by Standard 2. So please get ready.
performance. And last but not the least, we have Minion Dance by Standard 2.
The minions, small young creatures, love to dance. They hear some fun music and can't resist moving their bodies. The minions dance together in a big group, laughing and having a lot of fun. Let's welcome them with a big hand.
Extra items at any.
Tu libera con la papaya.
No digáis nada, no os entendería.
C'est la banana.
Oh, yeah. Tu libera con la papaya.
C'est la banana.
Oh, hello, papagena. Tu libera con la papaya.
Thank you for the eye-catching performance. What an epic, energetic, and memorable celebration it has been. All performances culminating into one large band of talent was an absolute brilliant experience. Now, we conclude our program with a special vote of thanks from our respected Madam, Srimati Suji Thonauzam, Lower Wing Coordinator, UNACO School, Coleman. Let us welcome our headmistress with a big round of applause to the stage.
Well, that was indeed a splendid performance by the youngsters of our school. I deem it a great honor and privilege to be the one making the closing remarks and extending the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. I would like to thank the Presidium members, Shri Singh, MCS Joint Secretary, Government of Manipur, and Srimati Konjengbam Daina, MPS, Deputy Commandant, 2nd MR Battalion, for sparing their valuable time for us to grace the occasion. And last but not the least, I would like to thank our respected Chairman Sir and Irambatan Singh for his unstinted support, vision and commitment. Next, I would like to thank our respected principal for leading and inspiring us in working towards the goal of conducting this event. My heartfelt thanks to the heads of the various departments and the faculty for their valuable contribution and guidance. Conducting this event would have been impossible without the zealous effort of non-teaching staff who have devoted lots of time and energy for this program. I would be failing in my duty if I did not thank all the participants who made this event joyful and enjoyable with their impressive performances. Above and beyond, let's not forget the backbone of this event, our organizing committee and members, along with all the volunteers who went on extra mile and made the dream a reality. Needless to mention that our IT department has taken care of the audio system very nicely so that this event could proceed without interruption. My sincere apologies if I have missed out on somebody. Thank you again to all assembled here for making this event a good success, grand success. Thank you once again.
Thanks. Now, we have come to the end of our annual day celebration. Thank you all for your cooperation.